If you're in this situation where your parents are unable to financially support you towards getting a higher education, that's okay. It's only going to be a problem if you begin to think thoughts like, I can't do this on my own, or they should be able to do this and they can't, right? All of those thoughts that resist your circumstance create emotional suffering, and that certainly doesn't help your situation. So I would invite you to take that step back. Self-awareness is your personal power. The more you can observe the way that you feel, the options you have, the way that you are interacting with your world, the more power you have to make new choices, to think new thoughts, and to explore new options that you perhaps never considered before. So in this period of time, if this is your circumstance, taking time to observe, expand, and learn how can you think in a solution-oriented way towards overcoming this obstacle and not letting it determine whether or not your dreams are going to come true.